These cycling POV videos are going absolutely viral right now. This Instagram account has gained 2.2 million followers, and his videos are pulling hundreds of thousands of views. So in this video, I will show you exactly how to make them by yourself. Here is the one I had created in just 2 minutes. First, open ChatGPT. Here, go to Explore GPTs and search for Cycling POV Video Generator. Once you start the generator, it will provide us 10 different video ideas. For example, I am going with third one. Then GPT will provide us an image prompt and a video prompt. Now copy the image prompt. Now open Flow AI. The link is in the description. Here, choose Create Image. Choose your aspect ratio and number of outputs. Paste the prompt here, then hit Generate. Here is how mine came out. The cherry blossoms pathway and that riverside. It honestly looks like someone out there riding it. Now let's turn it into a video. Choose Create Video in Flow AI. Choose Frames to Video. Upload the generated image as frame 1. Copy the video prompt from ChatGPT and paste it here. Then hit Generate. And it's that simple. Here are some other videos I had made using the same method. So that's the full workflow. All the links you need are provided in the description. And make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next niche.